And we're recording.
Are we rolling?
We're rolling.
Hi, I'm Jill Hinton from Outdoor Book Club, and I'm here at Fisherman State Park, just south of Charlevoix, Michigan. It is the weekend after Thanksgiving, so it's pretty snowy, but not too cold. It's probably in the upper 30s, and it's really a lovely, lovely place to be. I think probably in the summer, we'll be back and do some rustic camping here because it just really looks amazing. It's right on the beach. Ignore the cement company factory there. Somebody walking there. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about the book We Are All Completely Beside Ourselves by Karen Joy Fowler. And I'll say it's probably one of the best books I've read in the last 2, maybe 3 years. It was fantastic. Really, really well written. It had sort of the nice mix between scientific, learning some really interesting kind of technical kind of stuff, and sort of fantastical and a little bit unbelievable kind of stuff. Now, it wasn't fantasy. Don't think of that. It wasn't anything science fiction-y. It was all very realistic, but there was just something very whimsical about it. Now, there's a twist in the book, which I read before I knew what the twist was starting out, but I didn't know it was a twist, so I went and told a whole bunch of people about it, and I feel sort of badly about that. So I'm not going to do that. There's not going to be any spoilers in this book review. But I will say it was really well written. I loved the brother Lowell. He was one of my favorite characters. I loved how Rosemary really struggled with memory and with feelings of guilt. I loved the characters, and it was all a very, very interesting story. I highly recommend you go out and get it. It's definitely literary fiction, so if you're into that kind of stuff, if you haven't already read this book, I really do recommend it. So that's all there is today from Outdoor Book Club. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you outside.